Okay, so we're going to create our own assistive device practice slash dexterity and muscle strengthening practice, just like how the occupational therapist assistant was working with her kind of homemade ones. So doesn't have to be fancy. Just grab a couple different things. I'm going to show you how to make a couple different ones. You can make one of these. You can do your own thing. If you have more fancy things, cool. I just kind of ran around my house and grabbed some things. So I don't have clothespins. The first one I'm going to do is just the quick like clothespin one that she showed. So I don't have clothespins, but I do have like hair clippy things that kind of act like clothespins. The point is that we want the patient to be able to squeeze and use that fine motor dexterity and muscles in their fingers to open and close that. So I have a couple different ones. So this is like my box. And then I have different sizes. So here's like a smaller one. And then just two of these big silver ones again. So same thing. She just clipped it right to the edge of a... So what I want you to do for your assignment is just either take a picture of this or a video. I'm using the video. I'm using a website, but there's a video recorder on your school laptops that you can use. Or if you want to use your phone and upload it to YouTube and then send me the link, that's cool too. So again, I'm just like practicing clipping this. If you want to get creative and get your family or little siblings, you can show them how to do it. So I'm going to do one with one hand and then take it off with one hand and then do the same thing with my other hand just to practice on both hands. Excuse my assistant dog in the background. Okay, then we're going to go here. I'm going to try it with my left hand now. So this is probably an easy one. You can use clothespins. I use hair clips. You can use something totally different. We're just practicing that clippiness. Okay, so there's one example. So again, you don't have to do all three. You don't have to do all three. You just are doing an example of one. So I'm going to get that out of here. My next one, I didn't have cotton balls. She had the colorful cotton balls. If you have cotton balls, you can use those. I have these, like, I just went into my bathroom. I have these like cotton pad situations. So I'm just going to cut a couple up into like smaller pieces. So I'm going to do like 8, I think. So again, not fancy. If you have something similar like fabric, just something to pick up. What we're doing is just going to pick it up with tweezers. I didn't have the special cool tweezers that she had. I just have like literally the tweezers I use in my bathroom. So again, we're just going to pick it up, or if you have like chopsticks, anything that you're, again, using that like dexterity. So you're just picking something up, picking one up and putting it into a cup. And do half with one hand. So again, on your assignment or your video, and I'm just putting it into a cup. And then half on the other hand. So this would be something you're doing with your patients to help increase their dexterity. That's one. And then my final one, again, you only have to do one. You can take either, this is like a to-go container that I had, or if you have like a cream cheese container, something like soft plasticky, or a butter container that's clean. If you don't have anything, the point is I'm just going to have you poke a hole in the lid. If you don't have that, then don't worry about it. Make something else. I'm just showing you an example. So, and be careful with your scissors, please. But I'm just basically making, I don't want it to be like ginormous, because the point is you want to try to get it into like a small one. So, and then she had little like pieces of straw. I don't have any straws, but I do have like bobby pins. So for the bobby pin situation, it's still the same type thing where it's like you want that fine motor dexterity. So I'm going to pick it up and then put it into the hole of the cup that you just did. I'm going to do 3 with one hand, 3 with the other. So maybe you can get a sibling to do this, or you can show your sibling how to do it. Maybe you're whoever you live with, a brother, sister, parents. And then I just have more in there. Like that. So you could do one of those 3 examples. Please do not go buy anything. Please don't destroy something that is your mom's good to go containers. Just find some things around your house. If you have Play-Doh, I don't have Play-Doh, or I couldn't find anything Play-Doh like. But if you do have Play-Doh, hiding like a bead or a little something in the Play-Doh, or like even like hard beans if you have beans, doing something like that could also be fine motor dexterity. So basically your assignment is just to kind of create one of these, demonstrate it. You can either demonstrate it on video or just take a picture. If your video is not working, take a picture of the tools you use to build it. Again, please don't go buy anything. Please just look. The point is to just find things around your house that are just going to do the same thing. So yeah, let me know if you have questions, and you got it. I will show you. So you can either upload, like if you want to upload it to YouTube and send me the link, or if you just want to upload the video to Schoology, that's cool, or upload your picture to Schoology. I can show you or send you video directions on how to do that too. Okay.